kept a glass heart. I had a bad heart. Well, hug, of course.
He invented hugs?
Oh, yes, my dear. He invented everything that is wonderful in the world. Teddy bears and chocolate bars and... Oh, and something even more important than that. A heart. A glass heart. Yes, it's my wife. Amazing things bring joy and happiness. Make the world a better place. Come. Dangerous. Coincidence.
Not policing the suspect are local students. Stories tonight at 9. Espionage, with only one person's interest.
Unplug it. Reach around the back of it and pull the plug out of the back. No, the back of the printer.
Which one is the plug?
The plug's the power plug.
In his cells, William Bradford, William Brewster, afterwards known as the Pilgrim Fathers, were imprisoned on the 23rd September 1607 after attempting to escape to religious freedom.
Now to the good stuff.
Jerry Paul, which is a source of history for this area, to see if they had any information about William Brewster's time here.
Archbishop of York, because once he moves out of that jurisdiction, they've got to start a whole new process from another jurisdiction, so it buys him time. I think probably the other great centre of radical religion in Lincolnshire is Boston, and I think probably that's your next port of call.
Boston,
Boston, Lincolnshire, yes.